everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be talking about the Peach and Lily Glass Skin Refining Serum. Wow, I have read so many positive things about this serum, and everyone says that when you start using it, it starts to make your skin healthy, smooth, clearest and most luminous finish. So I was like, really? If this is the case, then I need to see the ingredients, I need to break down all the ingredients, I need to talk about it, and I need to say if this formulation is worth the hype. For those of you all who are new to my channel, my name is Ashwini Priyadarshini Megur, also known as Avi, and I'm a PhD student in the field of biology. I make skincare related videos, drawing videos, and also vlogs. If you like these kind of videos, make sure that you click on that like button, subscribe button, and also click on that bell icon so that you can be updated whenever I come up with a new video. Now let's look at the ingredient list. The basic ingredient formulation, Korean skincare, absolutely love it. Admire it because they always bring up all the plant-derived extract into their skincare formulation to improve the overall appearance of the skin. The first ingredient is water, following to that is propanediol. Now, propanediol is a carrier molecule which carries the other active ingredients to the deeper layers of the skin. It's like a vehicle that is holding the active ingredient and then taking it to the different layers of the skin. Then there is butylene glycol, which is also known as a humectant. And also there is 1,2-hexanediol, another humectant. The fourth position is niacinamide. It is around less than 5%, which is the right amount of concentration to work with on the different skin types. It can be used by the people who are beginners to the niacinamide world and also can be used by the pros. And this serum does have niacinamide. I also saw that there is acetyl octapeptide 3, which is a peptide leading to boosting the collagen production. And also I saw that there are different plant-derived extract here. There is peach fruit extract, and then there is a root extract here. So these two are antioxidant, and usually peach fruit extract is a good ingredient as it helps the skin to make it soft, calm and supple, but it is a plant-derived extract, so it acts as an antioxidant. Now, antioxidants are very essential if you have premature aging. Antioxidants help to remove the free radicals from the top layer of your skin. There is also methocassoside, which is also known as gotu kola, centella. Again, so much expected of Korean skincare, because if there is Korean skincare, there is centella. If there is Korean skincare, you will see a methocassoside ingredient for sure. Methocassoside, gotu kola, centella asiatica, these are the same plant which is known as the gotu kola or centella asiatica in biological terms. This plant has numerous properties. It hydrates your skin, it helps to remove the free radicals, it helps with the healing purpose, it brings back a healthy skin barrier, it has a nice glow when you apply it on your skin. So this ingredient is the main target if you want to achieve that glass-like skin. It is said to have all these properties. That's why it's widely used in Korean skincare, and that's why all the Korean beautiful girls look like flawless. Then there is sodium hyaluronate, hydrolyzed sodium hyaluronate, and hydrolyzed hyaluronic acid, and there is sodium acetylate hyaluronate. Now these all are like different forms of hyaluronic acid. They have different molecular weight. They sit on different layers of the skin and help it to hydrate. So the humectants, there is a high number of humectants in this formulation. They help to hold the water molecule from the surrounding and help to hydrate the skin. If you have a proper water intake, if you live in a moist place, the humectant does a beautiful job at hydrating your skin. But you're living in a dry place and you're also like having not adequate amount of water intake, then the humectants can actually draw out water from everywhere and just penetrate it into the skin, but you will be still lacking the water content that's necessary for the body. So it's necessary to have a proper water intake and also to apply it in a right way, the serum, to get the best results. As it's a serum, you can apply it after having a shower all over your body, or else on your face. You can target any particular area where you feel like it needs more hydration. and then after that wait for at least 60 seconds and then lock it up with a moisturizer. It is the right way to use a serum. It is the right way to use the high amount of humectant serum. If you still don't use it how I am suggesting, it might lead to more dryness of your skin. So if you want to achieve the best results, there is a particular way of using it. Cleanse your face, use this serum, and then moisturize after 60 seconds. Now for the conclusion, who all can use this product? Absolutely everyone. But there is one ingredient, that is hydrolyzed cornstarch. It is a hydrolyzed form, so it won't clog the pores, but cornstarch is known to clog the pores and is comedogenic in nature. So it's safe for oily skin, it is safe for dry skin type, it is good for Caucasian skin and skin of color. Now I understand why is there a hype about it, because it is genuinely a good formulation. I mean, absolutely all the products from the Korea are really good, because there is no such ingredient as fragrance. There is no such ingredient as denatured alcohol. And I love that thing, because it's very important even when you are considering skin of color or Caucasian skin. And for the dry skin type, you know, the alcohol can be a bit dangerous because it can lead to more dryness, and for the oily skin, the alcohol can lead to more production of sebum. So there are like different ways the alcohol work, and I love it that they don't have fragrance and alcohol. I will give it a thumbs up for this product, and I absolutely love this formulation. If you like this video, make sure that you give it a thumbs up and also share with your friends, because it helps my channel to grow. I will see you soon in another video. Take care and bye.